Annapolis County successfully voted on passing the bill that doubles the county transfer tax on sales over $1 million. This affects both residential and commercial transfers. Instead of the standard 1% transfer fee, the new transfer fee is 2%. It's Friday, March 26, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis. New listing inventory continues to drop throughout the Annapolis area as buyers see rising interest rates and prices. The struggle to find a home has many frustrated as they compete to win the opportunity to purchase. Let's look at the inventory shift over this past week. Annapolis has a total of only 106 homes for sale with a median sales price of $651,500. This reflects a further tightening of inventory from prior weeks, and it's down 68% from last March's 331 units on the market. The 5-year average inventory for March is 448 units to a maximum of 493. 20 homes were listed for sale since last Friday. 27 homes are coming soon. 30 are temporarily off the market. 25 homes sold since last week's report, with the highest sale in Wardour for a waterfront estate at $2,750,000. For those looking to rent, there is a bigger shortage of homes available, and prices to rent are up to an average of $2,500 per month, which could buy a whole lot of home for that price. Right now, there are only 17 homes for lease, priced between $1,375 and $6,000 per month. Do you have specific questions regarding the market? Give me a call at 443-837-5645. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thanks again for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 26, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.